We definitely found where they're coming from.
And where those snatchers are going. So, who's going in first?
Hey, JD. I rock, paper, scissors you for it.
Seriously? You're terrible at rock, paper, scissors.
How can someone be terrible at rock, paper, scissors?
Easily, because you always pick paper.
Do I?
Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, shoot! Damn it.
Glad you didn't go best of 3.
So the plan is still officially follow the Snatcher, right?
Yeah. There a problem?
Other than the fact we don't know where it is or where we're going. Nah, great plan.
Hey! There's a Snatcher!
Is that the same one? I didn't hear Marcus's radio.
Huh? One way to find out. Let's get down there. There we go. I'll put this to good use. Ah, shit! I really hate that sound! Here they come! Back in your nest! Lock and load! One dead drone!
That's it. Last one's down.
Oh, you know what? In a weird way, pods are a good sign. Means we're on the right track.
Even better if this catacomb takes us down to that mine.
Shit! Hey! Where the hell's he going?
Probably to get his friends.
Come on, down here. We can use this. Oh yeah, lots of pods here.
He's back!
And here come his friends.
I hate these goddamn things.
Don't worry, there's probably only a few thousand left down here.
Del, you're not helping. Okay, this doesn't look good. We've got drones! that brain anyway. Work! All right, party's over. Everyone okay?
Yeah, let's just get that gate open.
If we're looking for an Osmium mine, why the hell are we down here?
We go where the Snatchers go. Maybe these catacombs link up to the mine somehow.
Maybe.
These catacombs have to be hundreds of years old.
Yeah, 700, 800 years maybe.
So, all the people they buried down here, who were they?
Warriors, kings.
Wizards?
Not living that one down, am I?
Nope, afraid not. Huh, big door. I'm learning to hate big doors. Need some help here. On the right track, or we have unbelievably shitty luck.
Hey! Why can't it be both?
Here you go! Alright, who's next?
You got wrecked! Down!
I see you. On your feet. Oh, yeah.
Get back in your car!
Back in your hole. All right, time to get out of here. We haven't seen a Snatcher for a while. I need a hand. So, Del, he said kings are buried down here. Well, that guy was definitely king of something.
There it goes! How the hell do we follow it now?
He's got a pouncer!
Rolling out the red carpet! You're out of
All right, we gotta get through there and follow that snatcher.
Yeah, sure. But, how?
Hey, there's a hole under this thing. I'll be pushing out of the way. Thanks.
Can we not do rock, paper, scissors this time?
Or as Dell likes to call it, paper, paper, paper.
Funny. Very funny. Now where the hell are we?
Oh, that's an easy one. Lost.
Well, we're out of the catacombs at least. Now to find that snatcher.
Anyone up for cutting through that guy?
We're gonna find this snatcher. We gotta split up. I'll take the high path and cover you two.
Lots of swarms, but no snatcher.
Take out the hunters up there!
Hey! Cleared out all the drones up here!
Hey, we could use some help.
Alright, who's next?
We're moving. Cover us.
Excellent.
We need some support over here!
On it!
Appreciate the help!
More drones! And they're dug in! Try flanking them!
You heard him? Get over there!
Got a drone! Ready to roll! And you're out! Oh, look at that! Teamwork!
Yeah, too bad we still don't know where the hell we're going.
Yeah, details.
Yay! In fairy tales, you get breadcrumb trails. We get snot doors.
Looks like we finally found the mine.
And more snatchers. We're heading right down into it.
So how do we follow them now?
Follow. Down there. Yeah, sure, why not? Maybe we use that old ore transporter.
Looks like an elevator to hell.
Well, good. Because that's where we're going.
Is that ore transporter safe? When's the last time anyone used it?
25 years ago, when they brought all the bodies down,
So why bury Locust in an old mine anyway?
I heard they couldn't burn the bodies because of the crystallization. Burying them was the only option.
Yeah, but the Locust came from underground.
Yeah, well, no one said it was a good option. Come on, the dock is just ahead. Swarm!
You sound surprised.
Close that nest.
no such thing as mercy. Not for you!
I think we're done here. And you're out! All right, now time to see if that ore transporter still runs. Let's get up those ladders.